Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are pleased to offer to the market this 18-plate Suzuki Swift Szt. The car is finished in cosmic black metallic and has covered 33,120 miles. I've had a good look round the car and its bodywork is superb, as is the interior and the 16-inch alloy wheels. The Swift comes with rear tinted windows, and as we move around the back, it has a reverse camera for your convenience. This Swift has had 2 previous owners and has full service history. Before this car goes to its new owner, it will have a service and 12-month MOT carried out by our factory trained technicians. So let's have a look inside the car. As you open the door, you're greeted with black cloth seats, the ivory white trim on the door cards and the dash. You have a 7-inch touchscreen multimedia display which incorporates Bluetooth audio streaming, DAB radio and smartphone link. So it's Apple CarPlay if you have an Apple phone, or if you have an Android phone it's Android Auto. Moving further down, you've got your air conditioning unit and your USB and auxiliary ports down to the 5-speed manual gearbox. Moving on to the steering wheel, on the left hand stalk we have auto headlights. On the steering wheel itself you have your volume plus and minus and your mute buttons. All in all, a superb condition, superb looking Suzuki Swift in the Szt, guys. As a bonus, you have factory fitted wind deflectors on this car. I do not anticipate this car being here for very long, so if you'd like to book a test drive, please do give us a call. It's 0113 271 2288, and thank you for watching the video.